Hello and welcome, students, in this small video lecture session, which is purely based upon the tourism concepts. Students, today we will be able to talk about what does tourism is all about. So, our core concept of understanding what is tourism is all about would be the matter of discussion today. Friends, as a new entrant in this particular field, you might have came across from different academic disciplines, and therefore you may have a thought that tourism is some total of activity which is basically an activity, or some of you may thought maybe this is an industry, or maybe you are thinking this is a phenomena which is quite different than that of what actually tourism academics interprets. So, in total, you are in the state of dilemma. You need to answer the question what is tourism is all about. In this quest, I could state that for understanding tourism, according to me and you, we need to understand what tourism is all about is nothing but actually an area of activity that what we need to talk as the term called tourism. Now, first of all, we need to understand through this particular visual that I am sharing with you what is this term tourism is all about. My dear friends, if we can acknowledge this fact that tourism is basically a discipline which is a new discipline, and this discipline is definitely related to many other academic disciplines, then that not be a wrong notions. Therefore, tourism can be considered as an academic discipline if we are understanding tourism as an academic discipline phenomena, which is a sum total of phenomena which is made up or catered through different other academic disciplines, because tourism is a sum total of phenomena of different other academic disciplines. So this is academic discipline in our first way of interpreting that. What kind of discipline it is? It is definitely multidisciplinary in nature. So that meant for you can perceive the idea of having different other streams or academic disciplines into here. Reason being, we are here talking about the multidisciplinary mechanism, which is nevertheless not related to another disciplines. Let us take any example. If we talk about tourism as a tourist or as a person, those are assisting to the tourist, definitely they talks about history, definitely they talks about geography, definitely they talks about political scenarios. So everything or anything as an academic discipline which is based upon that part, tourism is multidisciplinary, because tourism has something to take from every academic discipline. In the quest of showing the tourist heritage or heritage prospects of India, we need to connect tourism with the subject called history. Similarly, if we talk about tourism along with the political science or tourism along with the geography, by which we can settle with the tourism related geography and we can create different other part. In this way, we can state tourism is not only multidisciplinary in nature, but it always owes different aspects from the different academic fields like history, geography, political science, sociology. Even the new footprints related to tourism is an outcome of anthropological prospects. So tourism is sum total of a discipline or academic discipline which is multidisciplinary in nature. And why we are saying this, We are saying this because it have got a lot of meaning into it. For more such explanation about all such new academic interpretation about tourism, we shall be able to discuss tourism in much apprehensive manner, and we will try to evaluate tourism different meaning and prospect. Likewise, why do we call tourism as an industry? Whether it is a lifestyle, what is kind of uh, prospects in terms of tourism as a phenomena. So, in future short sessions, we shall be able to know all about. So, my submission will be to kindly go through these videos and enjoy